Welcome to our state-of-the-art pharmaceutical systems assembly facility, spanning an impressive 890 square meters and situated within our global technical center. Our PSA facility is strategically designed to meet your evolving needs, thanks to a multi-million-pound investment which will create several roles across our pharmaceutical team. The facility has 6 dedicated assembly bays and 2 20-ton cranes. In this cutting-edge space, we have the capability to pre-assemble a range of skids every year for the pharma and life sciences sector, providing you with the resources and capacity to construct your future facility within ours. We have the capability to deliver off-site pre-assembled systems ready to be seamlessly integrated into your production site, as well as being a singular destination for your pharmaceutical engineering team, allowing you to be involved right from design and build through to commissioning, qualification and validation of your systems. Our growth in the pharmaceutical sector is driven by a genuine passion to deliver market-leading technologies, prioritizing safety, efficiency and sustainability. Through Briggs's market-leading juice demixing technology, we excel in delivering a range of solutions from specialist modular mixing systems to fully designed pharmaceutical manufacturing processes. Join us on this journey of innovation and excellence as we continue to shape the future of pharmaceutical engineering.